Everyone keeps asking the same question. Is it too late to start 3D? Did AI kill this career already? Should I even bother learning Blender in 2026? And honestly, I get it. Because if you scroll long enough, it feels like AI is doing the modeling. AI is doing the texturing. AI is doing the animation. So what's left for you? But here's the part nobody is saying out loud. 2026 is actually the best time to start Blender. Not despite AI, because of it. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why beginners right now have an advantage that didn't exist 5 years ago. There's one skill that suddenly matters more than modeling speed, topology tricks, or even software choice. Most people don't even realize they're missing it. And that's why they think 3D is dead. Let's talk about it. Every time a new AI tool drops, the same panic cycle happens. Why learn Blender if AI can generate a model in 10 seconds? Why spend years learning when prompts exist? But here's the reality. AI didn't kill 3D. It killed one specific version of 3D. The version where your only value was technical execution. You followed tutorials exactly. You competed on who could grind harder. That version was already fragile. What AI actually did was expose something uncomfortable. A lot of people were learning tools, not craft. And that brings us to the first big shift. That old way relied only on raw technical grinding, like endless manual modeling, perfect UV unwrapping from scratch, or following rigid tutorials step by step. You competed by who could slave longer over basic shapes and fixes. AI exposed how fragile that was, automating the grunt work like base meshes or rough textures in minutes instead of hours. What AI actually did was expose something uncomfortable. A lot of people were learning tools, not craft. They memorized buttons and pipelines without building real vision, storytelling, or style that makes art stand out. Now, with AI speeding the routine, like generating props or blockouts, your unique taste decides what looks epic versus generic. That brings us to the first big shift. Craft now means directing AI like a team member. In Blender, import an AI-generated mesh, sculpt details by hand, light it your way, and animate with intent. Spend time on what machines can't touch, like emotional poses or scene mood. Pros use this hybrid to crank out environments 60 to 70% faster, proving 2026 rewards smart creators over grinders. Start today, grab a prompt, make a quick Blender scene, and see your ideas come alive without the slog. The old way looked like this. Learn every button manually. Spend years mastering technical steps. Slowly build speed through repetition. That worked when software was the bottleneck. In 2026, the bottleneck isn't software anymore. You can AccuRIG characters, generate base meshes, speedrun materials, block scenes in minutes. So if everyone has access to speed, what actually separates people now? This is where most beginners misunderstand the opportunity. That old way worked when software slowed you. Now tools like neural rigging and procedural modifiers let you auto-rig characters, generate base meshes, speedrun materials, and block full scenes in minutes. Everyone grabs this speed easily. Beginners miss that equal tools mean success hinges on clear goals and smart choices, not tech tricks. Top artists shine by picking one project, like a Disney-style blockout, solving problems fast and repeating to build output. They focus on storytelling and visuals, using tools to ship polished work that stands out in portfolios or studios. 2026 offers beginners the perfect entry into Blender 3D because advanced tools now handle the tough technical work, letting you focus on creating great art fast. Software updates like Blender 5.0 and AI add-ons make setup quick and simple, unlike past versions that demanded endless button memorization. This shift means anyone can produce pro-level results sooner, building real skills without years of grind. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most 3D artists don't fail because they're bad at Blender. They fail because they don't know what good looks like. Taste is knowing when something feels off, knowing what to simplify, knowing what not to add, knowing why one image feels expensive and another feels amateur. AI can generate options, but it cannot decide what matters. And beginners in 2026, they could develop taste faster than ever. Because you're not stuck spending years just learning mechanics. You can spend that time studying composition, lighting, storytelling, and references, which leads to the most controversial part of all this. A lot of people still think, if I use AI, I'm cheating. If I auto-rig, I'm not a real artist. But here's the truth nobody likes to admit. The industry has never rewarded purity. It rewards results. No client has ever said, wow, this looks great, but did you suffer enough making it? What matters is, can you direct tools intelligently? Can you make decisions? Can you finish projects consistently? Ethics matter. Credit matters. Transparency matters. But using modern tools? That's not cheating, that's adaptation. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Here's a simple example. Instead of spending weeks manually rigging, fighting weights, fixing technical junk, you can block a character in Blender, auto-rig with AccuRIG, bring it into MetaHuman for polish, focus on posing, lighting, and presentation. The boring, error-prone parts are automated. Your energy goes into choices, and that's where beginners actually win. In 2026, your first win doesn't need to be a perfect model, a massive scene, a year-long grind. Your first win can be one clean render, one short animation, one small project you actually finish. That momentum matters more than skill level. And if you start now, learning Blender with modern workflows, not against them, you're not late. You're early to the new version of this industry. If you want more honest 3D advice, not hype, not fear bait, subscribe. I'm breaking down modern 3D careers, sustainable workflows, and how to build skill without burning out. Next video, the exact path I'd follow if I were starting Blender from zero in 2026. I'll see you there.